Welcome to the Lab Maestro Pack&Go tutorial on hosting your Python and PsychoPy experiments online. My name is Lindsey, and I'm a staff scientist here at VPixx Technologies. PsychoPy is a free, open-source tool for designing and implementing behavioral experiments. It's based on the Python programming language. PsychoPy offers a few different methods for creating experiments, including the PsychoPy Builder, a drag-and-drop design tool, and PsychoPy Coder, which is a scripting tool. Some researchers use these tools, and some elect to use the PsychoPy API in a third-party environment like Spyder or PyCharm. Whichever of these methods you prefer for designing experiments, we support them all. In fact, you don't have to use PsychoPy to use Pack&Go. We support any Python-based experiment. In today's video, I will demonstrate how to put your Python and PsychoPy-based experiments online in just 4 easy steps. Let's get started. If you'd like to follow along with the steps in this video, you will need to sign into your account on the Pack&Go Scientist portal. If you don't have an account, feel free to pause the video now and set one up. It's completely free. The first step is to upload your experiment to the Scientist portal. Be sure to thoroughly test and validate your experiment on your local computer before you upload it. To upload your study, first you will need to prepare your experiment file. This file needs to contain all scripts, images, videos, and any other files required to run your experiment. Next, on the Experiments page of the Scientist portal, click on the plus sign to create a new experiment. Enter a unique name and a description for the study. Specify where you would like your data to be saved and what platform you are using. There are a few other parameters you can configure on this page. You can link your study to another experiment using the Follow-up tab. You can also specify the streaming strategy and set a maximum time limit for the study. Next, upload your file and hit Create. You will have an opportunity to review all of the study information you entered, as well as the contents of your zip folder. If you've coded your own experiment and have multiple scripts or functions in your study, you'll also have the option here to specify which one of them is the main script that drives the experiment. If you're satisfied that all of the details are correct, press the Pack button and the study will be uploaded to our server. The study will take a few moments to upload. When it is finished, your experiment management page will update with a few new options. You should also receive a notification email indicating that the study is ready. The next step is to test your experiment on the Pack&Go platform. You should always test your experiment before running participants to make sure that everything is working properly. Tests are free and don't consume any Pack&Go credits. To run a test, click on the Run Test option in the Test Experiment section. This will open the study in our testing interface. On this interface, you can see the experiment in the central window. This is the participant view, what your participants will see in full screen during a real session. You can also see some performance data on the right-hand side of the screen, and the PsychoPy runner or console output on the bottom of the window. To review your test results, refresh the experiment management page and click on the Download Results button. In addition to the results generated by your experiment, we offer some additional result files which detail experiment performance and provide a log of the runner output. To learn more about these files and their contents, check out our documentation. We've uploaded our study and tested it out. Now it's time to publish and distribute links to our participants. Click on the Publish button. You will be prompted to agree to some terms, specifically that you've tested and validated your study on our platform, that you agree to our terms and conditions, and that you have ethics approval for your study. Check these boxes and click Publish. Now you will see the option to create invitation links in the Manage Experiment page. We have a few different invitation link types. Single-use links expire after one use. If you're assigning participant links to individuals, this is the best method to use. Each link has an identifier token that is appended to their results file. That token is saved along with their participation link in a CSV file that you can download and edit with names and contact information of your participants. Keep a copy of this participant key somewhere safe so that you can manage your study results later. Multi-use links allow multiple users to complete an experiment using the same link. Multi-use links only have one token associated with them, and results files are only distinguishable from one another by their timestamps. So if you use them, make sure you have another method of identifying your participants, for example, by prompting them to enter an ID code as part of the study. We also offer links for integration with testing platforms like Prolific. We have a full video tutorial on how to use these. We'll link to those at the end of the video. You've uploaded your study, you've tested it out, and you've sent out participation links. Time to sit back and watch the data roll in. To monitor data collection for your study, navigate to the Manage Experiment page. Scroll down to the results. You can download all results collected so far, or you can browse for specific session results according to some criterion. For example, you might want to screen out sessions where the participant exited the study early and didn't complete it. And that's it. We've reached the end of our tutorial. To sum up, in order to host your Python and PsychoPy studies on Pack&Go, you need to upload your study, test it out, publish the study and distribute participation links, and collect data. There are lots of good reasons to take your study online. You might be interested in reaching a specific population that's hard to find locally. You might want to collect a lot of data fast, or validate your in-lab study with a larger, more diverse sample. You might even want to screen or train participants for an upcoming in-person study. Whatever your goal, LabMeister at Pack&Go can help. Don't forget to check out our documentation for more tips on running your studies online, particularly if you're using non-standard Python packages for your study, or if your study has an audio component. You'll want to consult our documentation on how to manage these in your experiment. Thanks for watching. From all of us here at VPixx, I wish you success in your research.